Covering this for us. Good evening, Carson.
Good evening, Brendan. The judge had an afternoon appointment, so jurors only got a half day of testimony, but the defense made good use of their time.
The court day was short, but the defense's expert witness lineup packed some strong testimony.
I am a geologist, forensic examiner.
I have a PhD in chemistry.
I am a forensic chemist examiner within the laboratory division of the Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Forensic toxicology is specifically the study or detection and study of drugs and poisons in people.
These experts tested physical evidence for the state, but the defense flipped what they found or didn't find to bolster Casey Anthony's case, like a hair test done on Kaylee's hair for drugs like Valium and Xanax.
The testing I did for those drugs was negative in the hair sample.
A geologist tried to tie dirt on Casey's shoes to the woods where Kaylee's body was found, but couldn't.
And of those 3 pairs of shoes, the material that we recovered from them is different from the crime scene.
And Casey's steering wheel cover, Kaylee's car seat and doll were all clear of one chemical, key to the state's case, according to an FBI lab employee.
Can you tell the ladies and gentlemen of the jury what your results were?
That chloroform was not identified on either one of those pieces of items.
Finally, the trunk of Casey's car, which prosecutors say smelled of death, came up positive for traces of gasoline and chloroform, but not human decomposition.
Based solely on our data from our test, I could not conclusively determine that the presence of those compounds indicated that there had been human remains in the trunk of the car.
And by the way, the defense's surprise witness, Vasco Thompson, was set to be deposed today by the defense. They say George Anthony called the ex-con while Kaylee was missing. Thompson says he has nothing to do with the case, that he didn't have that phone number until 2009. Still to be seen if he's going to take the stand. I'm Carson Chambers. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Carson. Casey Anthony's on the cover of this week's People magazine that hits newsstands on Friday with the question, getting away with murder. The trial's also the focus of tonight's primetime Nightline. You can catch the Casey Anthony story tonight at 10 o'clock here on ABC. And our legal expert, Stephen Crawford, will be in to join us at 5:30 to talk about the case.